where does the name for Bae Penrhyn come from? So today I'm in Conwy County on the north coast and I'm in Bae Penrhyn, or in English Penrhyn Bay. The name's made of two parts. Bae, which means a bay, and because it was borrowed from Middle English, which pronounced bay like bye, it said Bae in Welsh. And then we have Penrhyn, which means a headland. Penrhyn as well can be split into two parts. Pen, which means head, and rhyn, which means an elongated piece of stone, a ridge. So literally it means the bay of the headland. So, right at the centre of Bae Penrhyn, Penrhyn Bay, there's Penrhyn Old Hall. It dates back to the 15th century and it was built by the Pugh family, who are a local Welsh noble family. The name Pugh is a short form of ap, which means son of, and Hugh, so the son of Hugh, is a patronymic, a bit like Mac in Scotland or O in Ireland. Now, the family were very, very famous for being strong believers in the Catholic faith, which was fine up until the 1500s when it got outlawed by the Anglican Church, and they lost a lot of money because they stayed Catholics, even though their tenants and their fellow noble families became Anglicans. In 1587, it was found that a member of the Pugh family, Robert Pugh, was working with the future Catholic martyr, William Davies, in order to produce Catholic printed material in a small printing press up on Rhyw up on the Little Orme, which was in the Pugh family's land. Now, what they were printing was called a drych Christianogol, which is something like the Christian Monitor, and it's actually one of the first bits of Welsh language printed material. The family managed to hold on to their Catholic faith for a long time, and even today, in the grounds of Penrhyn Hall, is the ruins of a medieval chapel, which was dedicated to St Mary. Like many places in Wales, Bae Penrhyn was originally a small agricultural settlement, but in the 1800s it started growing significantly because of the limestone mines here up on Rhyw on the Little Orme. However, they were closed in 1936, and since then it's essentially just become a suburb of Llandudno. So literally, the town name means the bay of the headland. Diolch. Subscribe for more, give us a like, give us a share, give us a follow, and if you really want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, consider supporting me on Patreon. You can find the link in my bio. Have a good one.